So you just spot a new Windows machine. The first thing most people do is open Edge, download Chrome, and stop right there. But after years of tweaking Windows, I found some apps that saves hours, make your PC feel twice as fast, and solve frustrating problems which Microsoft still hasn't fixed yet. So these are the absolute first apps I install on every single Windows machine. First up is Everything by VoidTools. Windows search has got better over years, but it is still painfully slow and often misses local files. Everything bypasses the standard index, maps your entire drives, and finds any files or folders instantly as you type. Second is PowerToy. This is an official Microsoft toolbox for power users, and honestly, it should have been built into the OS. You don't need to worry about everything here, just use these four. First is FancyZone. It gives you advanced window snapping far beyond the default Windows choice. You can also customize it by going into Open Layout Editor and choose any templates or create one of your own. Always on top. It lets you pin any windows like a calculator or a notepad so it stays visible even if you click off it. Just hit Windows Ctrl T and lock it in place. You'll see a blue border around it, and now it just stays over every other Windows. Color Picker. Color Picker lets you grab the exact hex or RGB code from anything on your screen. Just hit Windows Shift C over any pixel and click to copy. Then you can simply use the code in Photoshop or any other software. Text Extractor. Text Extractor lets you copy text directly out of anywhere, like uncopyable images, PDFs, and video formats. Just hit Windows Shift T, drag a box around the text you want to copy, then instantly it gets copied to your clipboard. Photo Launcher. If you've ever used Spotlight Source on macOS, this is the superior Windows equivalent. Just hit Alt space, a clean search bar appears in the center of your screen. You can launch apps, do calculations, and search for any files. It completely replaces your messy Windows Start menu. ShareX. The basic built-in Windows snipping tool is basic. With this tool, you can simply hit Ctrl Print Screen to capture a region, Shift Print Screen to start a screen recording, and you can also create a GIF using it. EarTrumpet. It completely replaces your chunky Windows volume mixer in your Windows setting app. It just sits in your system tray, allowing you to adjust the volume of individual apps like turning down a loud game while keeping your voice chat or music turned off just with a single click.